Hey guys, it's Amy. Hey guys, it's Amy from my Publix Coupon Buddy here. I'm going to break down gas card deal. This week is a gas card week for most areas. Some very small areas do not have a gas card deal this week. So the easiest way to check is to go on Publix.com, click on, here I can do it with you, except my computer is super slow. Publix.com. Click on the Savings tab, click on Weekly Ad. And there is a sneak peek of the weekly ad the day before your ad starts. So if your ad started today, then you will see the ad here. If your ad starts tomorrow, you need to click down there and you can view it. And if there's this coupon right here on the front page of your ad, then you have a gas card deal in your area. So here is an example of a gas card deal. I did a scenario for you guys with the deals from that started today for some, tomorrow for everyone. Gas cards are only valid until Sunday. So it starts the day that your weekly ad starts and ends on Sunday for everyone. It also tells you on the gas card coupon when the deal ends. So you can look there to be sure. Okay, so the deal scenario that I did, you don't have to do this exact scenario. I'm just posting a scenario for you guys so you can see how it's done. Is buy 8 Arm & Hammer liquid detergent, buy 8 Arm & Hammer packs, the pods, I'm not sure what they call them, and then buy 2 Arm & Hammer scent boosters. You're going to be stocked up on laundry detergent if you do this exact deal, which is my plan. Buy one $50 gas card of your choice. It doesn't have to be Shell. It can be Wawa. It can be any gas card that's $50 that is in that in your gift card station there at your Publix. Has to be $50. They won't typically allow you to do $2.25. You could ask, but I've been told no. So has to be $50. That total for all of those items comes to $192. So you have $50 in products and then the $50 gas card, which brings you to $192. That is what when the cashier hits the total key, that's what it's going to be, $192. Then you subtract $10 off your total when you hand over the gas card coupon. This coupon right here, just tear it straight out of the ad, hand it to your cashier. Also hand her 8 of the Arm & Hammer liquid laundry detergent, $1 coupons, 6 of the Arm & Hammer Power Packs laundry detergent coupons, and 2 of the Arm & Hammer liquid detergent or scent booster coupons. After she deducts the $16 or the $26 for all coupons, it comes to $74.92 is what you will pay her out of pocket. You are getting 16 laundry detergent products and a $50 gas card for $74.92. That's a phenomenal deal. Typically these guys are $6.49 a piece. So that is a great deal. You're getting 16 of them basically for $24.92. You're buying that $50 gas card anyway. You're buying $50 in gas this month, so why not save $10 on your groceries while doing it? Again, this deal goes from the day your weekly sale starts until Sunday night when Publix closes, 8/11. And let's see, I'm going to try to think of other questions that have been asked. If you are not interested in doing this deal, I will put a link below this video for the best deals of the week. You can flip-flop. Say you don't want to get all laundry detergent. You just want to get 8 laundry detergent. You can pick other deals out of the best deals or any deal you want, like chicken is BOGO this week. You can stock up on BOGO chicken and replace one of the items that I had in this scenario with something similar in price to what I had. As long as your total hits $50, then you can participate in the gas card deal. So if you guys have any questions, post them below. It's not as intimidating as it looks. You can use digital coupons if you need to use digital coupons. You can use printable coupons, insert coupons, whatever coupons you want to use. You cannot, however, use another total order off coupon with your gas card deal unless you meet the threshold of that second total order off coupon as well. So say you have a Winn-Dixie 5 off 40 total order off coupon that you got at Winn-Dixie, you would need to spend another $40. So you would need to spend $90 before adding the gas card to use that coupon as well. So if you have not tried a gas card deal, I suggest trying one. They're a great way to save $10 extra off your order. You can get your out-of-pocket super low depending on what you purchase. I just did a scenario with the laundry items that are on sale. But you can pick any of the item on sale. The only things that are not included in a gas card are, excluding phone and gift cards, alcohol, tobacco, lottery items, and money services, postage stamps, and prescriptions. So you can purchase anything in store except those items. All right, so if you guys have any questions, post them below. Happy couponing.